Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Destiny and we are back because I wanted to do a quick flip through, an official flip through of the planner that I created for, I'm sorry, I'm really out of breath. I forgot my phone upstairs and I had to run up there and get it, and then I had to came back downstairs and I had to go back up there to get my water and, and my soda. So, excuse me. Okay. But I wanted to do an official flip through of the planner that I created for my 75 Holy and Called challenge that I will be starting in August, and it'll run until October, the second week of October. I'm sorry. I'm really scatterbrained right now. So these metal discs and this cover are from Plum Paper. The planner, I printed it out in the 8.5 by 11 size, so it's a letter size that I printed it out. And yeah, I wanted to do an official flip through. This is how thick she is. It's 177 pages, and it is going to be a 2-page daily spread. And then every Sunday you will get 2 additional pages, which will be a Sabbath reset and a page to write your sermon notes. So I've had a couple people on YouTube, so many on TikTok, and then a couple people here on YouTube are asking where you can get this. And I'm kind of like conflicted. So I want to, like, for like 1 or 2 days, I think I'm going to have the link available to get for free. But at the end of the day, I just launched my Etsy shop. I'm sorry. I've never sold anything before, so I just sound really unsure about everything, I guess. But I just created my Etsy shop, and so I also have it listed on there. But that's another thing that I'm conflicted about, because it's like, how much do I price my digitals? And I just don't know. Like, my dad's telling me something, my husband's telling me something, and like, I feel like they're saying, like, what they're saying is like really expensive, but then they're like, don't lowball yourself, because I did put a lot of work into this. But then I'm like, okay, but like, I don't want to make it like where it's like, I don't know, like an investment, which it wasn't that crazy. So like right now I'm like, okay, $10, because I don't know, guys. So because it's a digital and it's undated, so you can use it whenever you want, however many times you want, as many times as you want. So like $10 question mark, like I've been scrolling on Etsy, and other people have listed their stuff for similar pricing, ranging from $8 to $12. I've seen some higher than that, and I don't know. Like, I'm really not trying to lowball myself, but at the same time, like, I want you guys to be able to get it. I want you guys to want to get it. I don't want you to look at it and be like, $15, which that's not how much I am listing it for. Like I said, right now I have it listed for $10, and even then I'm kind of like, is that too much? But like, I don't know. I'm not good at selling things, clearly. But when I do still, for my TikTok subscribers or TikTok followers and my YouTube subscribers, I am going to be offering a link to this, at least for a day, for 24 to 48 hours. I haven't quite figured it out yet which one I want to do, but it will be available for a free download for at least a day. But I will let you guys know what that date is going to be. But it will be before August, because that's when I'm trying to start the challenge, and I wanted you guys to do it with me if y'all wanted to. So it will be available for free for a day, and then it will be listed on my Etsy shop, which I don't know if that's a good idea or not. But anyways, okay, let's get into the dang thing. We're 5 minutes into this intro. Okay, so this is my planner. I have my little name down here. And the quality that you see here printed, don't mind this. I am running out of ink in my printer. But so like it looks like it's shades of blue over here and stuff. It's not going to be like that. All the ink is black, so when you print it, it will look so much better. But I just haven't invested, because we have one of those eco tanks, so I haven't invested in new ink yet. But I called it 75 Holy and Called. It is a 75 hard rendition. And then this is a little splurb about like what it is. It's a 75-day journey to pursue holiness, steward blessings well, and become the woman God has called you to be in your mind, body, home, and spirit. And then it is a 2-page daily. Like I said, I have this printed on 28-pound premium matte paper. And yeah, so it's a 2-page daily spread. You put your day of the week. These are the habits you will be hitting every single day, because it is a 75 hard rendition challenge, but I incorporated faith into it. So you will do, before you get on your phone every single day, you'll do morning quiet time. You'll drink a gallon of water. You'll eat clean, no fast food, no sugar, no soda. Read 10 pages. Take a daily progress pic, which I don't know if I'm going to do that, but I just put it here just in case you want to. 20 to 30 minute workout every single day, 10-minute stretch, and then a 15 to 20 minute walk outside. Complete the daily faith challenge. 1 intentional act of love to yourself, to a loved one, to a neighbor, to a church friend, and then bed by 10 p.m. And then right here you have a space to write scripture, a daily prayer, a faith challenge. So I am also working on another digital that I will be offering in my Etsy shop, that I will be creating to go with this challenge if you want all this information given to you. But if you just want this planner, you come up with everything that you want to put into it. Simple enough. So there will be a faith challenge, like write a prayer to your younger self, or do something, I don't know. I have the faith challenges already figured out for myself, but that's what this is here. It's every single day will be a different challenge to grow in your faith. And then every single day you will be fasting from something different as well. So like fasting from your phone for the day, fasting from watching TV for the day, fasting from gossiping, something different every single day. And there will be a little prayer to go along with that for me. And then here you will list out your workout, the current book you're reading. You have a space to track water, coffee, energy, and mood. And then you have space to journal about your devotional. And then there's a couple daily journal prompts here for at the end of the day. Where did you notice spiritual resistance, and how did you surrender it to God? What was your victory for the day? A daily affirmation. And what was hard today, and what helped get through that time? And then at the end of 7 days, let's see. So on Sunday, you still get this daily spread. You will still have the 2-page daily on Sunday, but you get these 2 additional spreads as well. So you get the Sunday Sabbath reset and refocus, and a little checklist for you to do. I don't know. I'm very terrible at explaining stuff, but you have a little checklist to focus on for Sunday to set you up to close out the prior week and set you up for success the coming week. So plan meals, prep grocery list, meal prep, weigh in, take another progress pic, review your last week's success, set up the new week in your planner, tidy and reset the house, and prepare for the new weekly fast. Okay? And then you have a couple of end of the week questions. So where did I see God move this week? What do I need to rest from and lay down at the feet of my God? How can I intentionally rest today? What brings my spirit joy and peace? What did God teach me this week? How did I respond to the Lord's promptings? And how did I grow spiritually, emotionally this week? And then you have a page for sermon notes. So I printed off extra pages for myself because I am a note taker, but it only comes with this 1 page, and then it gets straight into next week. So your planner will look like this. Sunday, Sabbath reset, sermon of the week, turn the page, straight into the next week. But if you're printing it, you can just print extra of the sermon of the weeks. Okay, and then I want to go back here real quick because I gave you... Okay, let me just turn all the way back here. So 75 days is 10 weeks and 5 days. but I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. So I did still, oh, I'm a week early. So I did still go ahead and give y'all the whole week, but on day 5 of week 11, I labeled it day 75, and then you have 6, 7 to finish out the week and the Sabbath reset, because I didn't just want to stop in the middle of the week. So you'll get an additional Sunday Sabbath reset and sermon of the week as well. So that is my planner. Again, I will let you guys know whenever I am going to paste in my community tab the Google Doc. It'll be listed for 24 hours for you guys to get it for free, and then I'm going to remove that link, and anyone that wants it after that, God, that sounds terrible to say, it'll be in my Etsy shop for sale after the day is done of it being listed for free. I hope that that is going to be okay with you guys, but I hope that if you are subscribed and you were waiting for this planner, I hope that you'll be able to get it for free when I list it, the link. Okay, all right. I'm sorry. I'm really bad about, I don't know, I guess marketing stuff, saying that I'm selling stuff, because I don't often feel like my stuff would be good enough, and that's why I've never created an Etsy shop until now. And I think that that's also why I'm listing it for free for 24 hours, because I just don't think that it's good enough to just not. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, that is the flip through of it. I hope that you guys like this, and if you do, like I said, I will let you know whenever I'm going to post the link to it for 24 hours. But if you did enjoy this video, give it a like, consider subscribing. I hope you will join me on this challenge. It is starting on August 1st, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!